In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Control Center not working when you're in other apps. If you head to any app and try to access your Control Center, it won't open. But if you are on your home screen, your Control Center works very well. If this is your issue, I got you. Simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, navigate onto the option of Control Center. It's just the fourth option right here. Head to it. Now on the option of access within apps, make sure to enable it. This will fix your issue out. Your Control Center will have not limits to where you can access it. Well, this literally simplifies user experience in general. That's how easy it is to fix Control Center not working within opened apps. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more informative tutorials like this one.